Rex Holden here from Physical Therapy and Balance Centers in Traverse City, and I'm going to show you one of the best ways to relieve stress on your low back and on those discs in your low back. They've done many studies and they found that this position right here has the least amount of pressure on your disc in your low back. So this can help with radicular pain, sciatica, or just low back pain. So you can be lying down in your bed, and I put a chair up here because most people have a chair at home, but you could also take like the cushions from your couch and stack them up. But the idea is that you get into a 90-90 position with your hips and your legs. So we could even bring Jill up a little bit more here, and that would put a little more bend in her low back, straightening that low back out and taking pressure off those discs. So this is a really good position for a lot of people to decrease pain and decrease stress on that low back. So if you're feeling radicular symptoms or pain going down the back of your leg or the side of your leg or to the front and to the toes, you want to try this position to see if that helps relieve the pain. Or if you just have low back pain, this might be a good position for you to help relieve your low back pain.
Alright, so if any of those techniques don't work for you at home, definitely contact us because there are many different ways in our clinic that we can unload your spine. So in our clinic we can manually unload your spine if you're on your stomach. That works better for some people. Some people it works better on the side. Some people it works better when they're laying on their back with their knees bent or with their legs straight. So it really depends on each individual person, and we figure out through our evaluation which way is going to work best for you. And besides the manual unloading, we also have a couple different pieces of equipment here at our clinic that do unloading. We have an unloading treadmill that takes weight off your back, and we can adjust it between 5 pounds or 100 pounds of weight off your back, and you can actually walk. If you're able to tolerate that, you can walk while you're having unloading, which really is good because it increases blood flow to your spine while you're having the traction and while you're working out.